How to use facial cleansing. Using the Hydra handle or ultrasound skin scrubber can get the better results. Applying the numbing cream on the face evenly and cover it with the wrap. Wait 30 minutes. Sterilizing the touch screen and all handles. Scraping off the numbing cream covering the plastic wrap. Scrape one side first. Wiping the face with gauze dipped in iodine, and then wiping it with gauze dipped in saline again. Starting from the jawline, place the probe on the skin. After sucking the facial skin, press the button. When the needle is out, pick it up, and then operate the next place. The operation parts of the previous and next rounds overlap about 1/3, because there is a gap between the edge of the probe and the needle, so there is a place that cannot be operated. After the first operation, apply a special product for microneedling like hyaluronic serums. For the second time, lower the depth appropriately and observe whether there are gaps in the previous operation. If there are gaps, intersperse the operation on the gaps to cover the entire face. Operate 8 to 10 times according to needs. After completing the operation on the right side, do the same steps on the left side. After finishing the whole face operation, apply the hyaluronic mask. After operation, it may occur the redness, warmth, or tingling. This is normal. You can use an ice hammer or an ice pack. After the time is up, remove the mask. Clean the face with gauze soaked in saline. Applying repair products such as repair essence.